Hello colleagues, thought I'd put together a little screencast video to highlight some of the new resources that the library has added over the summer. I think these resources will benefit us as faculty, but I also think they can greatly help our students. So when we click and go into the library, one of the first things that I want to highlight is the research guides have been updated. In the past we had one called MBA, and we broadened that now so that it's called Business Research, so that both our undergrad and our graduate students can benefit from it. When we click on Business Research, the library has put together valuable information in one easy to get to place. So of course you have the library homepage that we're familiar with, but under databases and journals they have put all of the most used and most helpful business databases all here in one place to make it easier for our students. Under useful websites, they have also put some valuable free websites that we can use to gather data, to do research. And what's really new is under market research, they have added just a wide variety of additional resources. And this came about because I was doing some work for my BA 384 course and found a guide of free resources that another school had, and Randy Newman said, well, why don't we add this to our page? And so he did. And so we've got a lot of good research sites for international markets, United States data, and then we can even drill down to Indiana and northeastern Indiana. So these are valuable sites. I used some of them in my entrepreneurship doctorate. Some of them are new to me, but I wanted to at least make you aware of them so that for applicable classes you can point your students to these. Additionally, if you assign your students journal articles to read, there is good information on how to read journal articles, how to write research papers. APA helps, of course, how to avoid plagiarism, different business associations. So if students want to do some research on careers or they want to do some interview prep, this might be a good place to go. And then video resources. These I think are helpful for us. All the business related videos categorized and available here in one spot for our use. So I hope this little overview is helpful, and please share it with any other colleagues or with your students as well. Thank you.